Oh, my fucking ankle bouncing off. Yo, what's up? This is Seth from OG BMX. Guess I'm doing a bike check. What I got? Frame, Federal Lacy. It's holding up alright, I guess. No brakes or anything yet. For bars, the Animal Bob bars. Just the best bars ever. The Animal OG stem. I like it. I tried out the remix, but you know, wasn't really feeling it. Got the nice fit blade forks. I just got rid of my Sundays for them. Front wheel is a G Sport Marmoset hub with both guards. I got a regular guard and then a night hub guard on my regular side. For a rim, got the hazard light with no sticker. Fuck stickers. I got the Animal GLH tire in front. The Animal MK3 peg, and then an Animal OG peg. I just couldn't find another OG peg. For cranks, I got the We the Peoples 22mm. I just had to put grade 8 bolts because I couldn't find the other ones. Got the Animal Sprocky 28 tooth. I like the extra pedal for the 28 to 9. Pedals, just Animal plastics, whatever. Regular KMC chain, 510. Not a big deal. Back pegs, 2 Animal OG pegs. For a back wheel, I got the Animal Javelin hub with the Animal rim, the 9 tooth, and then Maxxis grifter tire on the back, and the Animal wedge post with the duo fat seat, and I got the FBM hub guard to go along with the back wheel. Don't want to fuck up smoke, so yeah, that's my bike check. Oh, and Edwin grips. Not a really big deal, they're just grips. But yeah, see ya.